Have you ever wondered about the tiny architects that construct the cathedral of consciousness within your skull? Yes, we're diving into the world of neurons, the essential building blocks of our brain, the very fabric of our thoughts, memories, and emotions. Neurons or nerve cells are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, the tiny architects that play a starring role in transmitting information throughout the body. Picture a vast, bustling city with messages zipping to and fro, orchestrating a symphony of thoughts and actions. The unsung heroes of this complexity, neurons. Each neuron is a marvel of biological engineering. Comprising a cell body, axon, and dendrites, it's a mini communication station. The cell body, or soma, is the command center, housing the nucleus and other cellular essentials. Dendrites, branching out like the limbs of a tree, receive messages from other neurons and relay them to the cell body. The axon, a long, slender projection, transmits these messages to other neurons, muscles, or glands. But how do neurons pass these messages? They do so through a process known as synaptic transmission. When a neuron receives a signal, it generates an electrical impulse, or action potential, that travels along the axon. This impulse triggers the release of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that cross the synapse, the tiny gap between neurons, and bind to receptors on the receiving neuron. This intricate dance of chemicals and electricity is happening right now as you listen to this, enabling you to process these words. Neurons are not just cellular couriers, they're the bedrock of our very being. They enable us to perceive the world around us, to learn and remember, to feel joy and sorrow, to move, speak and dream. Without neurons, we wouldn't be able to form a thought, recall a memory, or even take a single breath. So to summarize the cinematic journey we've just taken, neurons, the fundamental units of our brain and nervous system, are the architects of our consciousness. Each neuron, a mini communication station, comprises a cell body, an axon, and dendrites. They communicate through synaptic transmission, an intricate dance of electricity and chemicals. These humble cells enable us to perceive, learn, remember, feel, and act. Without them, the tapestry of our existence would unravel. In essence, neurons are more than just cells. They're the narrators of our life story, the conductors of our cognitive symphony. They're the unseen heroes, tirelessly working behind the scenes, enabling us to live, to love, to learn, to be. So the next time you learn something new or remember a cherished memory, take a moment to appreciate these tiny architects of your reality.